So this is verse number 19 from Surah Az-Zukhruf, which is chapter number 43. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أَوَمَنْ يُنَشَّأُ فِي الْحِلْيَةِ وَهُوَ فِي الْخِصَامِ غَيْرُ مُبِينٍ. Do you ascribe to God one who is reared among ornaments and who is not clear in disputation?
Opposite of what is said for ladies. But would you please kindly explain this ayat?
It's a beautiful compliment to ladies. It says that ladies in ordinary situations may be very wise in presenting their case. But the moment they pick up a quarrel, they lose their sense of normality. And then they speak whatever comes to their mouth. And they do not care for its being rational or not rational. This is exactly true. Very wise women otherwise, who speak rationally and with calm and with stability, when they pick up a quarrel, they start throwing rubbish out of their mouth. And later on they may feel that they had done wrong, but during the quarrel they are non-distinct and cannot, being overwhelmed by their anger, they cannot command the words which they need to express their anger. So they are blocked by that anger. And that prevents them from giving, providing them with correct expressions. This is the meaning of this verse. Right? With that you agree or you still do not? Now you know, huh?